We're going to do a brief video on stock market day trading signals. This website, rbamresearch.com, offers exact entry prices for trading and investing. We're going to log in here in a minute, and you can log in yourself. All you have to do is register. The entry prices are 100% free, no credit card required. So let me log in and we'll get started. Okay, we are logged into rbamresearch.com to take a look at stock market day trading signals. If you take a look at this page, this is an algorithmic output page. We have algorithms that generate buy signals for stocks 1, 5, and 20-day holding periods. We're going to ignore today the 5 and 20-day holding periods and just focus on the 1-day holding period because, again, we're looking for stock market day trading signals. You'll notice that these are published each day, Monday through Friday, before 7 a.m. and they're good for only for the day they are published. These were obviously published for June 3rd. And let's take a quick look. This algorithm normally publishes prices for you to buy today and then close out by the end of trading tomorrow. That's what a one-day hold is defined as. However, if the stocks are high enough volume and have a significant enough daily trading range, you can usually day trade with this one column list of pricing. The 5 and the 20 days, again, we'll ignore for this discussion. So for stock market day trading signals, we would want to look at this one-day hold and look for the most actives that we could find. That's usually going to be the top 10, maybe the top 20 most active stocks that you see listed on Yahoo and so forth. And most of those stocks are going to be listed here. Now, on this particular page, we have 194 stocks, and we'll scroll down here in a minute and stick with us till the end, and we'll show you how to get these prices every single day, Monday through Friday before 7 a.m. Absolutely free, no credit card required. So you're going to see a lot of zeros here today because this particular day the algorithms came up with a lot of zeros. Zero is a calculated algorithm price. It just simply means there's no algorithmically generated point today using this algorithm. Some of them, obviously, you can see for Marathon Oil, generated a $30 price. The Brazilian company here, $13.60. Freeport-McMoRan, $41 and some change. Occidental Petroleum down here, $68. So we do have some entry prices today, but normally 4 to 5 days a week, these will all be populated. About 80 to 90% of these will be populated. But one day, sometimes 2 days a week, you'll get a lot of zeros. So let's take a look down here on the one-day hold column and go to something that's populated. Let's take Marathon Oil. If we logged in here before 7 a.m. and we saw that Marathon Oil is a good buy or should be a good buy at $30.63, we'd use that as a reference point. Now, you always have to back these up with your own research. You never use our prices for anything alone. You're always going to use them just as reference points, and you use your own analysis, of course, to actually make a trade. But you take a look on the 3rd of June, $30.63. Now, what you're looking to do, if the market trades through that price, you can buy the stock at that price. If your own research says to go ahead and do that, you can do that. And then if you're trading a volatile stock with good volume, you can get out of it the same day, usually under these algorithms. Now, you're not going to make a ton of money. It depends on the stock. If you're trading Tesla or something that's, hundreds of dollars, you obviously have a better chance of making a few bucks. In general, if on a $30 stock, if you made $1 or $2, that would be a great move in a day. So you want to set your expectations. You want to do your research. You want to make sure you're trading stocks for day trading that are very volatile. That's just the way it is. You also want to make sure your liquidity is there. If you're going to day trade stocks, you should make sure that the liquidity is extremely high. The way to do that is to look at a one-day bar chart that shows volume and just check your minute-by-minute liquidity throughout the day, especially at the traditionally slower periods of the day. And you'll see that over a 1 or 2 week period of time. If you study a volume chart, 1-minute volume chart, you'll see when it slows down, because if you get significantly reduced volume, it can be extremely difficult to get out of even small positions. So when you're day trading, that's very important. You want to pay attention to it. But again, if you use sufficiently liquid stocks that have sufficient volume and range on a daily basis, you can use this one-day hold to potentially day trade. That's basically how this works. You would find a stock that you're interested in, high volume, good daily range, and use this one-day column to trade it. If you're interested in getting these, they're published every morning, Monday through Friday, before 7 a.m. They're absolutely free, no credit card required. I'm scrolling down here to the bottom, and you can get these from rbamresearch.com. That's rbamresearch.com. The link is in the description below. Published every weekday before 7 a.m. We cover 190 stocks. We also cover, for day trading, the major forex pairs, Bitcoin for crypto, and the most liquid futures. The forex, the cryptos, and the futures have longs and or shorts, and the stocks are long onlys. So if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want more of these videos, please subscribe. Keep in mind, everything you've just seen on this website is for entertainment purposes only, including the entry prices. They're all for reference purposes only, and you have to, of course, use your own research before you enter any trades, and you definitely trade at your own risk. Please consult a financial advisor if you feel you need one.